don't believe it. It's my long-lost cousins. Nice to see you, pal. Aww. Oh, it's so good to see you. Hey, those are some pretty great ears you got there, pal. See the resemblance? Uh-huh. You bet you get great reception. So, can you hear me? Yes. How about over here?
Yes.
How about now? Wow, those ears really do work.
They do.
Say,
sure
can
do.
we get a family portrait? And since we've all got mouse ears, let's say cheese. Everybody together now. Yeah. Yeah.
Wait, right there. There you go. Oh, look at that. We got